never done a video before, but this time I'm bringing you my first ever video. Hang on one second, I just need to shut this door. Bye. What? I'm back. Now, it's a Nerf Arsenal video. 4 end strikes, 3 end strikes elite, 1 end strike. Don't know a gun what it's called, but 2 zombie strikes, 1 Doomlander, a strong arm, 1 mega, and yes, that's all. And a gun what doesn't shoot. This gun. First we'll start off with this gun. Something broken on it, and I've just fixed it. Don't shoot anything. Just pretend mag. You can just broken. Just pretend mag up. Like playing with a friend, like pretending, so you don't want to play Nerf. That's okay. First we're going to start with the mega. Well, that's the real first one. Mega. That nearly just broke my window. The mega dart. Yeah, the mega dart. Shoots mega darts. I've 4, lost 2. Doomlander. The Doomlander. Now the Doomlander is such a powerful gun. It shoots 4 bullets. It's hard to pull back. The trigger. It's hard to pull back. Right. And it's hard to pull back. Next we're going to move on to the end strikes. Elite. So yeah, this one you have to actually turn on. That one you hold something in. You can just turn this one on. So next is this one. Ow. Same as that one really, but it fires 28. I need a mag in. I might get a mag to put in it. I've lost my real mag for it. It comes with a white mag, and that's in. Oh, yeah, I've run out of batteries for it. Next we're gonna move on to this. Fires 2 at a time. You might know it's the end strike elite. Zoom strikes. This comes with a haste. So I love this gun. It's my favourite gun. There's a pocket strip on the haste, so just go like that. Look at that. And then it's like just like. The haste is still there. Put it back in. I actually might use that. Never used the haste. Now we're moving on to this one. Flip Fury. So it has 2 barrels, 12 rounds, and you can just flip it. And when you run out of bullets, flip, fire. Pretty good. Fires green bullets. So, the strong arm. So the strong arm is my broken one. Fires 6 rounds. Pop out, spin it, put bullets in, go back in. Wall. Boom! Shoot them right in the face. This is Nerf. It doesn't say what gun it is, so fires 5 rounds, 1 round I mean, and it's pretty powerful gun I'll say. Next we have, I don't know, it's just like the strong arm. It's an end strike though. An end strike. It's mainly the strong arm. But you have to put the bullets far in. So yeah, that's the end of the video. That's all of them. See you soon, guys, or maybe see you tomorrow. Might do a video on my aqua dragons. So bye. See you.